Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you that how to get back your contacts after when you lost your phone or your phone is damaged. So simply in order to do this, just you have to go to Play Store, and after that just you have to install the Google Contacts app. So simply type the Contacts app here, and in first you will find that Google Contact app is here. So simply just open it, and now here you have to install this app. I already installed it. Just go to open, and now here what you need to do, just if you have all your contacts in your cell phone memory, you can easily transfer all of these contacts to your email. So simply log in with email, and here you can see I have 176 contacts in my email. So simply now if you want to transfer all the contacts, simply click here, select all, and here you can also move to another account. You can also export all contacts here in your Google Contact. So after that, when you need to add any new contact, you have to install the contact in your Google app. So simply just click on plus button, and here you will add the new contact. So it will be directly added to your email address. So here you can see on the top side my email is here, and after that you will click on save button. So in this way, when you save your all contacts in Google Contacts, now if your cell phone is lost or damaged, you can easily install the app and log in with email, and you will get back your all contacts.